This is the story of Anchor Management. My name is Jimmy Yoder. Follow me on my journey as I explore the oceans and document my adventures through a lens. Welcome aboard. Alrighty crew, welcome aboard to another video here on Anchor Management. So I'm currently standing in my garage right now. This is probably going to be the shortest video on the channel, but that doesn't mean it's not exciting. We have a ton of exciting updates to share right now, right behind me, and yeah, let's get right into it. Alrighty crew, here we have it, Anchor Management's new electronics. Got a bunch of exciting stuff here. We're gonna go one by one. Obviously radar, a couple displays, and I'm gonna run you through exactly what is what. So starting with the big display, it's actually the same display, a little bit newer, Raymarine E120 multi-display. So this can show fish finder, radar, GPS, weather, a bunch of different stuff. This thing's a unit. Yeah, it basically does whatever you need it to do. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run the radar off this screen, obviously GPS, and yeah, see if we can get anything else running through this display. This little guy right here, probably my favorite, is the new autopilot system. So this thing's pretty rad. You can set specific waypoints and go. My old one was just a tiny little remote, and you could only plug in like the course you wanted to go. You couldn't plug in a specific waypoint. So this is a pretty cool little upgrade. Smart pilot for that bad boy. This is another Raymarine A70D fish finder and GPS combo. And this is a super rad little display. I don't know, that's what, probably 6-7 inch display. This guy's, I believe, 12 or 14 inch display, I forget. Backup VHF radio. These things, I mean, you can't have too many, so safety thing. Trim tab, I mean, again, another random little device there, but cool little upgrade. And this sick remote spotlight. Throw this on the roof of Anchor Management, and gotta be gentle with that, and on a remote, so that'll be rad. And that's super easy to wire up. You got power, and then here's your remote cable, so it's super easy. Got to drill a hole through the roof and then run the wire to the battery for that. Also got the big boy Raymarine. I forget exactly, I'll put it in the description down below, what radar dome this is, but this thing is a unit. It's huge, big upgrade definitely. So be running that through the big display here. All of the screens are in near perfect condition. Probably order up a cover for the autopilot and the fish finder and GPS display, but yeah, crew, that's pretty much it. Got all the manuals, some random wires laying around, just kind of unpacked it, but it's gonna be sick. We're gonna get this installed, and I'm gonna video the whole process. So alrighty crew, that's gonna be it for this video. It was short, it was quick. We're gonna do 2 videos this week, 2 vlog style videos this week besides the how-to video. It's been a crazy last week just with this new job and stuff. I'm going to be talking about that soon, and yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and follow along for updates, because super exciting stuff. We got the electronics, time to install. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.